Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, we shall understand how to create a new stock journal and its offset location in Axanta ERP. So in order to create the new stock journal, we shall click on the menu and go to the inventory module. Then under configurations, you will find stock journal. So let's take an example that you want to create a stock journal for damage inventory. So now we shall click on this stock journal. So here as you can see that there are various stock journals that has been created. So to create a new stock journal we shall click on this new button. So now as we are creating a stock journal for damage inventory, so in the name field we shall give it a name as damaged inventory. In the type we shall select the type as adjustment, and as you can see that the number sequence field, it is already set by the system as a default. So now let's create a new offset location. So here in the offset location field we shall enter the name of the offset location as damaged inventory, and here we shall click on create and edit. So here as you can see that whatever name that you have entered in the location name, by default the name will be coming. Then in the parent location the default location will be coming as virtual locations. The location type is as inventory loss. Now in the accounting information we need to enter the account that we need to link with this offset location. So for this example we have created an expense account named as damage stock. So in both the fields we need to enter this account. Kindly note that if you are creating a stock journal which you would be treating for the purpose of scrapping the inventory, so in that case you need to enable this is a scrap location option, which will help you in the reporting purpose. So now once this setup is done, we shall click on save and close. So here as you can see that your offset location named as damage inventory has been created. So this is how you can create offset locations and stock journal in Axanta ERP.